So children, we shall start with last exercise, exercise 14.4. Before that, I want to tell you one thing. After completing exercise 14.3, that is in graph book children, next again you will write the heading measures of central tendency and write the definitions and formulas which I wrote on the board in the previous video. Okay, mean andreno, median andreno, mode andreno anta you will write the definitions and then start with this exercise. Don't forget. So first question is, the following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. Find the mean, median and mode of these scores is the question. Here, if you observe, the number of number of goals are given. For 10 matches, ಎಷ್ಟು goal ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ they have given the data. Here the number of observations or goals given are less in number. So we can use the formula just sigma x by n in order to find the mean here. ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Fine. Now the number of goals scored are 2, 3. I have written 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3 are the goals. To find A, the mean of the data is what? Sum of all the observations by total number of observations. Means we have to take the sum of all the goals given here. So I have done sigma x. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. Like this you have to add them up, children. Add up all this like 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 0 is again 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 3 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28. So I have written sigma x as 28. So I got what is numerator, that is sigma x by n alva children. I got to know what is sigma x, that is 28. Next we should find out what is n. N number of scores. Eshide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 scores are there andra. N is 10. You will literally count eshide anta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that you will count. So n is equal to 10. Now to find out what is mean, simply do what is sigma x by n. What is sigma x? We got 28 divided by n andreno 10. You will get 2.8. Division you do, it is very simple division. So what is mean andre? It is 2.8. Like this you should write one sentence lastly. Sigma x by n is equal to 2.8. Hence we find out the mean. That's all. Next B, we are going to find out the median. So to find the median, children, what is the first step? We should find out whether the number of scores given here are even or odd. Even idre en ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, odd idre en ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ we know. So what we will do always is arrange the scores in ascending order. On doing so we get ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ascending ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 to smaller to bigger ಅಲ್ಲ. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3 3 ಸತಿ ಇದೆ, 4, 4 2 ಸತಿ ಇದೆ, 5 2 ಸತಿ ಇದೆ. You will just arrange them in ascending order. The reason is when you find out what is the n by 2 or by applying the formula, children, ಯಾವ observation anta you should find out, no, ಯಾವ goal anta. That is the reason you should always arrange them in ascending order. It is not like you can skip the step. Now we already know n is equal to 10. N is 10 andre. Of course it is an even number. If it is even number, what is the formula for median? It is n by 2 plus n by 1, n plus 1 by 2 observation. The observation annada I am stressing. Why I am scared? Because you will just find out what is n by 2, n plus 1 by 2 if it ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. No. So we will find out what is n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2. What is n by 2 andre? N is 10 divided by 2. So n is equal to, we got 5 children. Andre fifth observation anta. N is equal to 5 bantu, 5 antalla, fifth observation anta. Next we will find out n plus 1 by 2. Andre 10 plus 1 by 2 is 11 by 2 andre. It is clearly 5.5. This is n plus 1 by 2. We got 5.5. Whenever your number is even and if you add 1 to that, the number will obviously become odd. So nimge 0.5 always you will get, children, but you cannot consider 5.5 fifth score. It is difficult, you cannot cut the next score into half, alva. So you will round it off always. So n plus 1 by 2 na 6 anta ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. 5.5 ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we will round it off to next. So we got n as fifth score and n by 2 as sixth observation. Ega you have arranged them in ascending order, no? After doing this only it is required whether if you have arranged in ascending order or not. That is the reason here we have already arranged it. Now find out one more step I will write for you. So what will be the median now andre in this formula? It is first yavadu fifth observation n by 2 plus sixth observation we should do and take the average. Fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So median will be, children, what is the fifth observation or fifth goal? 1 2 3 4 5 3 ಬಂತು. Next fifth plus sixth ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 plus 3, fifth and sixth will be the numbers of observations which we are considering. It is like 3 plus 3 divided by 2 anta. Now you check after 3 plus 3 by 2. 3 plus 3 is 6 by 2 is again 3. Hence we got median equal to 3. Thus we find out what is mean and median. If you want, once again I will explain you median heng ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, children, first arrange the given score in ascending order. ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ವರೆಗೂ you will write in order. Be careful when you write, you should not interchange or miss any number. Then already we will be knowing what is 10 anta. It is n. So you by this seeing this we came to know that the number of goals given are in even number. So how to find the median when the scores are even or observations are even andre n by 2 plus n plus 1 by 2 observation ಏನು ಅಂತ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಇದರ average ಏನಿದೆ, children, that gives us the median. n by 2 ಏನು 10 by 2 5 ಬಂತು. So n fifth observation ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. n plus 1 by 2 ಏನು 10 plus 1 by 2 11 by 2 is 5.5. Always when you add plus 1 to any even number, that will become odd number, of course, and hence you when you divide by 2 you always get the decimal. So round it off to next number. So 5.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಆಯ್ತು, 4.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಆಯ್ತು, 2.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗೆ you will round it off to the next number. Whatever you get, sixth observation ಅಂತ you will write. After finding out this, you will write median is what is for first n by 2 fifth observation. Now next ಯಾವುದು fifth ಬಂದ್ರೆ obviously next ಬರುತ್ತೆ, children. You need not check, go and check. ಇದು 5 ಬಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4th ಬಂದ್ರೆ 5th score ಬರುತ್ತೆ, third score ಬಂದ್ರೆ 4th score ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Always it will be the consecutive one. So 5th observation plus 6th observation divided by 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is 5th observation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 1 2 3 4 5. 5th observation ಏನು 3 ಬರೀತೀರಾ plus 6th observation next immediate next ಅಲ್ವಾ. So that is also 3 divided by 2. 3 plus 3 is 6 divided by 2. When you do again you get 3. That is the median. So we have found out what are mean and median. Last part ಏನು mode find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Mode is nothing but the repeated number or repeated frequency. So ಯಾವ number ಜಾಸ್ತಿ repeat ಆಗಿದೆ, it is clearly you can say 4 is repeated twice whereas number 3 is repeated 3 times, thrice, children. So mode is clearly 3. What is the frequency of mode ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು time repeat ಆಗಿದೆ, nothing but 3 times. So mode is 3. Suppose if 4 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ mode 4 ಆಗೋದು. Don't get confused. If number 4 has repeated 3 times, then mode was 4 but still frequency was remaining as 3. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ mode 3, frequency 3. Hence mean, median and mode. Like this you should find out. This is a 4-mark problem, children. Easily you can score marks. Practice it well. Next I will go to second question. In a mathematics test given to 15 students, the following marks out of 100 are recorded. Find the mean, median and mode for this data. Again if you see, though it is number of scores are more compared to first problem, still it is countable. Hence again we go for the same formula. What is that andre? Sigma x by n itself. I will clean the board and do it for you. So second question, children. Before going to second question, I did one mistake in first, children. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ mode, while writing the mode, I wrote it as 3. Of course mode is 3. It 3 now because it is what to say is 3 is repeated many times compared to other numbers, so mode will be 3. But when it comes to frequency, how many times number 3 is repeated andre, it is repeated 4 times, children, but I wrote 3. So mode is 3 whereas its frequency is 4. Frequency is how many number of times it is repeated anta. Yav number repeat agide annodu mode. 3 repeat agide. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ repeat agide ಅನ್ನೋದು frequency, that is 4 times it has repeated anta. Now second question, I have written the number of marks recorded are, I have written all the marks, and they are asking us to again find the mean median mode. So mean of data will be sum of all the observation by total number of observation under sigma x by n I2. To save time, what I have done is I have ordered all these numbers, children, so it accounts to 822, and they have only given n is equal to 15. Heng ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು n is equal to 15? 15 scores of 15 students ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, that is 15 n ಅಂತ. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. 15 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 15. ಹಾಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ n equals 10 ಅಂತ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್. So sigma x is 822, n is 50. Next step we have to find out what is sigma x by n andre 822 divided by 15. When we do, it accounts to 54.8, children. You can divide it and check. So mean is 54.8. It is simply sigma x by n. Next median ge arranging the scores in ascending order. I have arranged them 39, 40, 41, 42, 46, 48 anta increasing order alli. Starting from 39, the lowest score, to highest score 98 I have arranged. And since I know n equals 15, it is odd. Whenever you get n as odd, children, you are on safer side. Why? Because finding out median is very easy for odd number of scores. Median is simply n plus 1 by second observation. Hence, we will find out now what is n plus 1 by 2. n ಏನು 15 plus 1 divided by 2 andre 15 plus 1 16 divided by 2 andre we got 8. So median is not 8. We came to know that median is equal to 16 by 2 as 8 andre median is not 8 children, but it is 8 observation anta. Once you got median, n plus 1 by 2 as 8th observation, here you will count which is 8th anta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is 8th, 52 bantu. Whatever value is there, that has to be written. Median is 52 anta. So it is very easy to find out the median when n is odd. n is even idre ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, n by 2 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, n plus 1 by 2 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಆವರೇಜ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವುದು 5th ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಬಂತು, 5th ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಯಾವುದು 52. ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ 52 plus 52 ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ n was even. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ n plus 1 by 2, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್. ಸೊ 8th ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ಬಂದು 52. ಸೊ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಇಸ್ 52. Now finding out mode is very easy. I will write it here since that is of first problems. Which is the most repeated score andre? Again you see 52 is repeated 3 times. Any other scores are repeated? No. So 52 is mode. What is the frequency of 52 andre? How many times it is repeated? 3 times it is repeated. So mode is 52 with frequency 3 anta. That is how we will find out. This is about the second problem.